here it is, guys. It's almost over, and I'm gonna go through the welds and just check them out if everything is okay, and I'm gonna grind the ones that are sticking way too much, and then I'm gonna try and assemble all of it. I'm gonna start shaping everything out. Hey guys, it's finally one piece. I think I'm ready to proceed to paint now. I know it doesn't look like much yet, but I'm hoping that once I paint this thing, it's gonna look so much better, because it looks like a giant mess right now. And let's see what is gonna come out of it. Okay guys, here is the front end. I think it's gonna work because last night I was so frustrated. The primer that I used didn't do any job that it was supposed to. Actually, the main problem is, I'll try to show you. I don't know if you can see this black stripe over there. This is here it is a little smudge. This is left over from the marker that we used to draw on the this metal sheet, and it was somehow mixing with the primer, and it made everything worse. I don't know. I didn't make any close-up shots last night because I was disappointed, and the metal sheet that I used had so many bumps and dents, and I used it because I wanted to add a bit of texture to this, not to be blunt by using anything that is brand new. And in a way I was not sure what is gonna happen, what result can I achieve, so I didn't make any additional costs adding to the value of this. So now when I look at it, I don't know if I made the right call, but here it is. And now I found some leftover pink spray can, so I added that a bit to try and give a more depth on and contrast, so the top part can be visible. Otherwise it's a bit, I don't know, it looks like on camera is visible, but when you look at it just like that in front of it, sometimes it doesn't stand out as much as it should be. And now I have to go and buy some more paint because I don't have any more for the back, and you can see how ugly this is. So last night I was so disappointed. I didn't know what to do, what to expect. I spread just a little bit paint here and there to see how it's gonna turn out, and now I have a bit of hope left in me. And this is on the unfortunately this is not gonna be the end result because I have to spray all over again the whole thing, trying to cover those black lines and spots and stuff that are bothering me. But here is how it's gonna look in the end, probably. Still I don't have the final touches added to this thing, so I think I'm gonna buy some clear coat and add a layer or two of clear coat just to make everything pop and to preserve the paint, because now it can be easily scratched and I don't want that. So I won't waste any more time. I'm gonna rush and buy some paint and I'm gonna continue working. As you can see, when this thing turns around and the light comes through the different holes, it makes this just incredible contrast. But to add, I was thinking to add some LED lights behind this thing, but to do that it is way more work, and at this point I'm gonna leave it like that. But in the future, if I place something in the middle over here in the center behind this, and as this is meant to be hanged on the wall, when you turn the LED lights in the proper light, it's gonna look amazing. Just, I don't know, I'm disappointed from my craftsmanship because when you look at it up close you can see the welds, but these are the tools that I have available at my disposal now, so I cannot do anything about it. This was the best thing that I could do, and it's a bit disappointing, but in the other hand I just wanted to be visible that this is handmade, and the amount of work that I put in it. So this is gonna be for now. I'm gonna just grab some paint and continue painting.